How do I paper file taxes with a W-2 form? Imagine sitting down with your paperwork, ready to send your taxes to the government. If you have a W-2 form from your employer, you can file your taxes by hand. Let's walk through how to do it step by step. First, you need to get your W-2 form from your employer. They are required to send it to you by January 31st each year. If you don't receive it by mid-February, call your employer to ask for it. The form shows your total wages and how much federal, Social Security, and Medicare taxes were taken out. Next, review your W-2 carefully. Make sure your name, Social Security number, wages, and tax withholdings are correct. If you see any mistakes, contact your employer to get a corrected W-2, called a Form W-2 degrees Celsius. It's important to have accurate information before you start filling out your tax forms. Now grab the correct paper tax form to file your federal return. Most people use Form 1040, which is the main form for individual tax filers. You can get this from the IRS website or at a local library or post office. Make sure you have the latest version for the tax year you are filing. Once you have your form, start transferring your information from your W-2. Write down your wages in the line marked Wages and enter the federal income tax withheld in the appropriate box. Also, fill in your Social Security wages and tax, and Medicare wages and tax, if applicable. Be careful to match the numbers exactly to avoid delays. Complete any other sections that apply to you, like deductions or credits. If you qualify for the Earned Income Tax Credit or Child Tax Credit, fill out the necessary schedules or forms. These can help reduce your overall tax bill. When your form is complete, attach copy B of your W-2 to the front of your tax return. This copy is for your records and for the IRS. Make sure it's attached securely and clearly visible. If you live in a state that has income tax, check your state's instructions. You may need to attach a state W-2 or fill out a separate state tax form. Follow the directions carefully to ensure everything is correct. Now, it's time to mail your tax return. Use a large envelope and send it to the address listed in the IRS instructions for paper filing. It's a good idea to send it via certified mail or with a tracking number so you have proof it was mailed and received. Keep copies of your completed tax return and W-2 form in a safe place. You might need them later if you get audited or need to reference your taxes. Remember, paper filing takes longer to process than e-filing, so plan ahead if you're expecting a refund or need to meet a deadline. Filing early can help you get your refund faster and avoid last-minute stress. In summary, paper filing with a W-2 involves getting your form from your employer, reviewing it carefully, transferring the information onto your tax form, attaching the correct copies, and mailing everything to the IRS and your state if needed. It's a straightforward process that makes sure your income and taxes paid are reported properly.